Today we are going to solve a numerical question of index number by using simple average of price relative method. In this method we need to find the index for every commodity separately. After that average is done. So data given here: commodity A price in 2013 was 1 rupees and in 2014 was 5 rupees. Commodity B price in 2013 was 2 rupees and in 2014 was 4 rupees. Commodity C price in 2013 was 3 rupees and in 2014 was 3 rupees. Commodity D price in 2013 was 4 rupees and in 2014 was 2 rupees. So now we have to find the index for every commodity separately. Therefore we need a formula. So formula: is P1 divided by P0 into 100 and divide by n, and denotes total number of commodity like A, B, C, D. Now what is mean by P1 and what is mean by P0? P0 means price of 2013 and P1 means price of 2014. So therefore we will write P0 here and P1 here is P1 is current year price and P0 means base year price. So now we are going to start this calculation. P1 here is 5 and P0 is 1 into 100. Similarly, commodity B, P1 here is 4 and P0 here is 2 into 100. Commodity C, P1 here is 3 and P0 here is 3 into 100. Commodity D, P1 here is 2 and P0 here is 4 into 100. So now calculate this. So here will come 500, 200 and 100 and 50. Now add these number. So 850 is coming. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 50. So 850 is coming. Now 850 divided by 4. Why 4? Because we have this A, B, C, D 4 commodity. A, B, C, D, 4 commodity. So 212.5 is coming. 212.5 is coming. This is not the final answer of this question. We have to minus 100 from this. 5.112. I know a question is wandering in your mind that why we subtracted 100 from this. We subtracted 100 from this because we take this base year 100%. Therefore, we subtracted 100 from this. So 112.5 is the final answer of this question. So therefore, we will write here thus the price in the year 2014 are one 2.5% higher in 2013, or we can say that 112.5% price has increased in 2014. I hope you understood this. Bye.